What's going on? So the pressing question is, how do you become a millionaire right now in 2024? Here are 4 ways to do so. Number 1, you just got to subscribe to the channel to get more content just like this. Well, the number 1 thing millionaires do that they continuously do is buy real estate in areas where the public school system is good. Now, what does this do? Obviously, their kids can go to a good public school, but it avoids the idea that their kids have to go to a private school to get a good education. So they eliminate that cost by sending their kids to a public school versus a private school. They save out on thousands of dollars by doing so, especially if you have 3 kids or 4 kids or whatnot. The second thing they do is when they look for homes, they buy homes where they get some sort of a discount on the home. They never buy a home at market value. So not saying that you have to buy a home 50% below market value, maybe that's unrealistic, but they can buy a home that is 20% below market value or 15% below market value. They don't buy homes at the market value. And by the way, they will walk away if the home isn't a discount for them, okay? And the thing with this is that they're buying homes at the $500,000 mark and below. So they may buy a home for $200,000, $300,000, $400,000, and they're able to pay off the mortgage quicker than buying a home that's $1 million. The third thing that they don't do in regards to real estate is buy homes that have been recently built. Okay, buying homes that are recently built can cost a lot more money. Sometimes they cost $1 million or close to $1 million, right? Now, with this being said, that's more money that they have to pay out of pocket over 15 years or 30 years. Now, a fourth component to this as to the reason why they don't buy newly constructed homes is because they're in a neighborhood where everything is new. So there aren't a lot of the neighborhood hasn't been established. Okay, but if you buy a home in a neighborhood that's been established, you would have had the doctor that have lived there for 10, 20 years, or a business executive that have lived there for 20 years. So your neighbors will be people that you can connect with and your kids can connect with. And so now your community of people that live in these neighborhoods all become better. But buying homes in a newly established neighborhood is not the best thing to do. But on that note, until the next time, take care.